Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're working on a Hyundai Getz hatchback. The part we're doing today is the sun visor. Very well known problem with these Hyundai Getzes is that the sun visors are extremely poorly made. Basically they flop down. You got to put a bit of Velcro up to have them stick up, or people rip them off entirely because they just get so annoying. But the fact of the matter is they're extremely unreliable, and yeah, that's the job we're doing today. Extremely easy job. As you can imagine, it's 2 Phillips head screws. Literally we're going to pull the visor out, grab the new one, put it in, and obviously do the 2 screws up, and that's it. Guys, if you're interested in this product, we do have them available on our website. I'll put the link to the top left corner. I'll put it in the bottom of this video. But yeah, head on to the website. We've got them in grey. I think they're $80 from memory, free express post Australia wide. So you really can't beat that. If you compare that to the prices perhaps from Hyundai, you're looking at probably $200 plus a 4-week wait. So it's well worth checking it out. Head on to the site and have a look at what we've got. Alrighty guys, let's get into the job. Right guys, this is the problem we were talking about. As you can see, this sun visor will not stay up in place. And you can imagine a driver sitting here, the thing just flopping in his face, you know, on the other side or whichever side you're on. And that's why people just tear the whole thing off. So you can imagine that it's a very common job. So in order to get started, you've just got 2 Phillips head screws here. You can use a flat or a Phillips head screwdriver. Sun visor just sits like that in place. You can just crack the screws. Now there's no wiring underneath this. There is nothing to worry about. You can just pop the visor around here, grab this last screw. Of course, popping the screws out of the visor because you are going to need them. Right guys, we don't have our visor on us today, but obviously this would be the replacement from whichever manufacturer you choose to go with. But as I did mention, we have it available on the website, so you can check that out after this video if you like. It's super duper easy to put back. The short side of the clip facing your direction. Pop it up into place. You can start with the back screw first. I would recommend putting it in to start by hand so you don't cross thread the screw, and then bringing up your screwdriver. Of course, if you have someone there to help you hold this up, that'd be much better. Tightening it up, not too tight. That's one. Remember, you can now rotate it out of your way so you can get to it a bit better. And of course, tightening it up into place. And hopefully now that you've installed your new visor, clips into here correctly and it'll stay up in place like so. It really is as simple as that, guys. We've just completed this job in under a minute. You could probably do it even faster considering you don't have to film everything you do. Guys, if you've been to a roadworthy inspector and he's told you this is what you need in order to pass, do this job yourself. Don't let him upsell you on the sun visor. Certainly don't let him upsell on that labor. That would be insane. Guys, if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in this type of content and you're doing up cars, etc., subscribe to the channel. You never know when you might need another installation tutorial such as this. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.